This guidance will help you with the Employee Access Portal. You can find a link to the portal on our website, risdweb.org, under Staff Tools. This is the login page, and if you are here for the first time, you will need to create a new user. To create a new user, you will enter your 9-digit Social Security number, your date of birth, and your zip code. You will then be asked to create a username, a password, enter your email address, create a hint question and hint answer. Be sure to follow the guidelines for creating your username and password, and make sure that you use your email address for work and not home, as our system is not set up to use your home email. After you have created your user or you have logged in, you will be taken to this screen. You can now select which option you would like. Under Inquiry Options, you will be able to look at your calendar year to date, your current pay information, deductions, earnings, leave balance, W-2 and 1095 information. In the following slides, I will go into each one of these areas a little more in depth. Calendar year to date. Choose the calendar year you want to view. Please note that all totals are based on the calendar year displayed. This is not the school year. Contract pay is your total gross base salary. Non-contract pay is your total pay not covered under base salary. This might be a supplemental stipend. Supplemental pay is your total gross supplemental pay. For example, extra duties such as homebound services. Withholding gross. This is the total salary that is used to calculate your federal tax. Withholding tax is your total federal income tax. Medicare gross. This is the total salary used to calculate your Medicare tax. And Medicare tax is your total Medicare tax paid. Annuity, Roth, and 457. If you have paid into any of these, this is the total paid for the year displayed. Non-TRS, this is monies paid during the total year not subject to TRS. Non-TRS and non-tax is monies paid during the year not subject to federal tax or TRS. TRS salary reduction is the total paid into TRS for the year selected. TRS insurance is the total paid to TRS insurance for the year selected. Please note that TRS salary reduction and TRS insurance are set by TRS and are not optional. Health insurance deduction, this is the total paid for health insurance that is not sheltered by pre-tax plan. Current pay information. This is your employee information. Name, address, and phone number, employee number, date of birth, gender, highest degree earned, years of experience, including total and in district, professional and non-professional. Everyone's frequency is monthly. You will find W-4 information, your pay campus, as well as salary breakdown by position, title, payments, annual salary, daily rate, monthly rate, and overtime rate if applicable. Deductions. You will find W-4 deduction information, a list of current monthly deductions with the description, the staff member contribution, cafeteria plan indicator. This is whether or not it's a pre-tax plan, and your employer contribution. Earnings. This is where you will find your wage and earnings statement. You will choose the pay date that you want to view. Basic information. You will also find earnings and deductions, the gross earnings and tax totals, TRS deductions, other deductions, and net pay. Under detailed salary breakdown, you will find the job description and salary breakdown, overtime, supplemental pay, non-TRS taxable pay, non-TRS non-taxable pay, deductions, and leave. Please note that earnings statements can be printed for any pay period, current or previous, within the school year. Leave balance. Here you're going to find your beginning balance, advanced earned, pending used, and available balance. Please be sure to read each description, as you will need to know whether or not it has been processed or unprocessed when looking at your balance. Please note that pending days and available balances is subject to change prior to the end of the pay period. Under leave balance, you can also do previous leave inquiries. Leave that has been used since May 1st of 2015 is available online. This is when we implemented the use of the Employee Access Portal. To inquire about leave used during a particular time frame, you're going to need to choose your from date, your to date, and your leave code. Please note that pending leave data is not available to pull. W-2s and 1095. The current year W-2s and 1095 will not be available until after Payroll HR has completed processing all tax forms and posted them to the portal. Prior year W-2s and 1095 are viewable only and cannot be printed. Under self-service options, you can change your password, and you can also verify, enter, and request updates to some of your demographic information. As far as payroll information goes, if you need to change your W-4 or direct deposit, you will need to do this through Talent Ed. Previously, these changes were made through your Employee Access Portal, but as of the 2019-20 school year, we have moved these requests to your Talent Ed records. Under self-service payroll information, you have the ability to view your W-4. Additional documentation will be needed to submit changes, and you can request these changes through your Talent Ed records. This will be submitted to HR Payroll. You can locate this form on our website under Menu Staff Tools /Talent Ed. Please note any changes requested for the next pay period must have all documentation to payroll by the first day of the month to be processed. Any requests received after that will not take effect until the following pay period. Under self-service demographic information, you have the ability to request a change to some of your demographic information that is held in HR. Changes to your name and/or driver's license require additional documentation, so please contact Angela at extension 706 to make these changes. To request a change, you will enter the new information in the appropriate box and hit Save. An alert will be sent to my email, and I will either approve the change or contact you with additional questions. Emails cannot be changed. If you see an error with your email, please contact me directly at extension 706. To change your password, you will go to Self-Service, Change Password, and enter the new password twice, and then Update. If you forgot your password, choose Forgot Password from the login page. You will be directed to enter your Social Security number, date of birth, and zip code. Retrieve. You will be directed to answer your hint question and submit. If this does not work, please contact Angela Bettinger or Melinda Emmons by email for assistance. A link to the portal, as well as this guidance, is available on the Robinson ISD webpage under Menu /Staff Tools. Any questions regarding the portal, you can contact Angela Bettinger or Melinda Emmons by email or call us at extension 706 and 704. Thank you.